Hello friends, once again this is Shane Ali Khan. Right now here I am with one of the great personality from Gaya. So sir, I would like to just tell you one thing. Please introduce yourself here.
Uh, Myself, I'm Rizwan Zain, and I am a teacher in Elegant Public School. I actually take chemistry subject. So, and I am here with Sani Ali sir.
Okay, thank you sir. Actually my question is for you sir. Nowadays as you have observed the digital classes and parents what they are thinking about that I am just wasting the money. So is it correct?
See, in some of the concern when lockdown has started, so parents used to be very wise about the all things, that they were just thinking that it will only run for 1 week, 2 week or 10 days, 1 month or 2 months. So at that time they was thinking that it is a waste of money. So after 2 months school will open, so my ward will continue to the school. But as lockdown phases has increased day by day, now some of the parents, not all the parents, some of the parents, they came to know that now my wards are wasting time. So now it's time to engage them in online the classes. But most of the cases we have received in the last year, in last session, students, parents used to complain us that we have provided them phone, laptop, whatever, many the gadgets, and I have spent lot of money. But still, they used to play game, and they want teachers very attentive. The teacher should be very attentive to my ward. The question is here that while your ward is on Zoom class or any other medium or any other platform, we cannot be very attentive to them. This is the truth. Okay, you have to look after your ward when they're at your home. The thing is that I can only explain them what the topic I have to teach and whatever the concepts, okay, that we can provide it. That's it.
Okay, sir. The question arises here: are you still you are teaching on school
Yes.
online classes?
Yes,
So what's the experience you have gained from that digital classes? Before that, have you done this type of classes?
No, actually, before lockdown and the online classes, we were not very friendly with the camera.
Okay.
We only used to take selfie and that photos. Okay, but when it came order from the school that CBSE also has given an instruction notification that school will take the classes online. So at that time when I came to know that okay, I have to record the video, I have to be on the camera, and the students will be there. So I was at that time, it was very
It was new.
new.
Yeah.
So when I started first 2-3 weeks, it took 1 month and more than 1 month to make me stable on the camera. And in that, what happened? The thing is that we also come to know that what mistakes I am doing while I am teaching. So that is a great advantage of online teaching. Okay, because in my school we have to also record the self video. We have to give to the student to the reference video, as well as we have to teach on the Zoom. So while you record your self video, from that you come to know that what mistakes you are doing, and we get a good opportunity in this to improve ourselves. And very big thing is that I am on the camera and there is no frustration. So it is very neat and clean now, and now it is very friendly to.
Exactly what you faced, sir, is the problem of many teachers maybe, but it's the problem of not only teachers. What about the students? They are also new students and as well as teachers. And as we have observed from many schools, I'm not talking about any particular schools, but what we observed, the students are not very familiar to, when we are just asking about their communication skills, creativity. So they have lots, but they don't want to show in front of any big guys, right? So how they will improve?
See, while it was this pandemic has started, when the students came to know that we will have online classes, they were very happy at that time, because they were thinking that okay, we will enjoy now, because parents not used to give them to the phone. Now they are having mobile phone, a personal mobile phone, okay, internet. So nowadays students you see, when initially we have started the class, students used to be very attentive in the class. They used to put their camera on. But nowadays, many of the students used to put their camera off.
Camera off, and what I have personally perceived, because nowadays Free Fire and PUBG they are using in a background. So is it correct?
Yeah, some of the parents they call me and they say like this, that okay sir, class was going on, yes, but my ward was playing game and he has informed me that there is no class today. And this only means that is ratio of 99:1 ratio. 99 students are good in the class, and what of that one student who used to go through the games, and parents used to complain, and just we look after them, and after that it is okay now. But the question is that students in the online classes, while they are on the camera, while teacher is teaching, up to where I have the information and what I have received, that is they are one who is attending the class, they are very attentive, and one who is not having interest, they only give the attendance and they just go through the online classes. They know that okay, I don't have to study, then why I will waste my time, so just give an attendance on WhatsApp and just they're enjoying his game, whatever.
Okay. So question also arises here, sir. What we have, experienced the study just past 10 years ago, and right now the same way of teaching. I'm talking about the teachers. I'm talking about the traditional educations. So what's your thinking? What's your opinion regarding traditional education or latest educations? Because here we are talking about the 21st century skills. So it is, just like very new and very latest in this era. So what's your opinion regarding 21st century skills and traditional skills?
See, traditional skills, especially if we talk our Bihar and especially this
Especially.
Okay, there is only one conception, and we can say it is a misconception, that only two fields are there. My ward can be an engineer, or he can be or she can be a doctor.
Because they don't have information about other fields like hospitality and all.
They don't explore themselves.
Yeah.
Even see, not this is the time that from the starting, from the initial time, Bihar used to give the good quality of officers. Okay, many of the officers in army, they are from the
IAS
Bihar,
also.
IAS. Okay, a good doctor in AIMS, when you will visit, you will find from Bihar also. They all are at a good stage.
Actually, sir, what I have seen when I was in Delhi, so many people are talking about Delhi. Many people are talking about Bihar. Bihar is, hub of talent, hub of not UPSC only, hub of talent. But what the thing is going on, the population of Bihar is 12 crore. So the people are, just literacy. When you are talking about literacy rate, so it is very lowest. Nowadays it is improving, but it is very lowest. The condition is that who are in study, who are in literacy skills, so they have to explore themselves. But what about the rest? 50% still not studying.
See, there is a one quotation in Bihar. चले तो शाम तक, okay, चले तो चांद तक, ना चले तो शाम तक. So you can just see that in Bihar, I came to know in this field. You was talking about the traditional education. I come to see that the students, most of the English medium school, they don't have their basic in Hindi as well as English. Okay, they are not good in Hindi as well as they are not good in English. But when you compare most of the CBSE students with the Bihar board students, the students who is very regular to his class, they are very attentive to their education. They have much and more knowledge and concept than any other medium.
Strongly agreed.
Okay, because see, why he is in Bihar board? Because he is not having good facilities, and he has a motto that I have to do this. So hence, see, one more thing I came to know while I was in my during education, and after that when I became a teacher, then I used to go through the Bharti Bhavan books which was initiated to us in our school. So mathematics and science also. So what I came to know that the pattern, the topic which is very precise in Bihar state, and whatever topic that can give us a knowledge, that is only printed. Now you can see this much thick book is there, and out of 20 pages only 5 topics are there that will make you to understand. and that is the reason the literacy rate. Okay, now why the students and the parents, both of them not having faith upon each other? Because of this only, we pressurize students to speak in English. You have to go to the English school. We are not thinking about that what he can do. We have to first observe them. What is the ability to them? See, if you can't be a doctor due to any reason, but you get a child and you have enough money, then you are pressurizing him that you become a doctor, you become a doctor, you become a doctor. This is not possible. He can become a doctor, but he will not be a good doctor.
Definitely.
Okay, he's a doctor, but he's not good because he will not enjoy his job. He will not enjoy his profession.
Agreed.
So you can only enjoy your profession and you can be happy in your life when you will do what you want to do. And that is the reason we just push the students in our areas toward the engineering only. If he is not in a government college, he is not selected, then what we do, we just push him into the private college. Okay, graduation to kar hi lega, engineer to ban hi jayega. After that what? First, companies, they will give opportunities to the IITian. In that also, one who is well qualified. Not all the IITians get job. That is also very true. Not all the IITians get job. Only those IITians get a good package who is well qualified. An engineer is educated, but not good qualified. And that is the reason that the tradition education, which we was just okay, in the traditional education now the tradition is changed. This is not the modern. So, as I came to know about your project that you are working upon the skills of the students. So, personally myself, I have 4 to 5 parents connected each other, and they just discuss upon this only. Okay, I want a skill. What he has studied doesn't matter. What he has studied doesn't matter. But what he want to do, how he will find it out? And that they want to know. And for that there is no any institution. He or she, who are the parents, they know that I am sending to their school, okay, he will qualify 10 from there. But he or she, they are in the search of those institutions. They will search out from their what they have potential. That's it.
Okay. As you have told about the 21st century skills and traditional, so I have a data also. 93% of the MBA who are not in job, you can say berozgar, unemployment,
yes,
right? Unemployed. Because of only certificate they have, but they don't have such talent, so the companies are not entertaining them, right? So I would like to just end this video because it will just taking more time. So thank you so much for giving me time here.